There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A, and you already know we are here to slay. Girl, my energy is still on 100. I'm still positive. I'm still feeling good. And this is video number 5. Okay. Girl, y'all know I'm looking real cute right now with this silk robe, this silk bonnet. Girl, listen, you can't tell me nothing. I'm definitely looking cute. And with this wig company, Ashimary Hair, you definitely know that they do care. Okay. I'm definitely here to bring it for 2026. And when I tell you this box is heavy, this box is heavy. I have not even opened the box yet. It still has its tape on it. I did not put it on its mannequin to show y'all how it comes because I feel like this. Y'all don't be believing when I tell y'all that. Like, I don't do anything to the wig but just take it out the box and put it on the mannequin head. But so here I'm telling you right now that you're going to take it out the box and you're going to put it on and you're going to go out the door about your business, because that's what I want you to do. I want you to go about your business, get out of mine, get you one of these wigs and go about your day, okay? About to open this box by Ashimary Hair. You know, like I said, they really do care. I got me a little silk bonnet on that says Ashimary. I got one of their robes on that say Ashimary. Girl, I'm a shimmery girl. I'm a shimmery. I'm a shimmered out, okay? For real. With no clout. I'm shimmered out, okay? Y'all hear them bars. I know y'all do. So let's see what's in this box because, girl, like me tell y'all, I really did forget what they sent me, but we about to find out. So your box comes just like so. Really pretty color. It has some wrapping paper on it. Now y'all know I did not take it out the box. See that? Okay, so she got some colors. See, I told y'all I didn't remember. I'm definitely gonna have to go get my spray bottle and some other products because, girl, I forgot what we was doing. So we got the wig right here, but we also do have the care kit. We got another bonnet and we got another silk robe. What I tell y'all, they be hooking a girl up. When I say they be hooking a girl up, I am not talking about me. I'm talking about you. When you purchase a unit from Ashimary Hair, girl, you gonna see that they really do care. Silk bonnet, silk robe, and a bag of goodies. We got some, individual lashes. How cute is that? Some clusters. We have an HD wig cap, but damn, one of their combs, which has a brush, an edge brush, and a spatula on the end. You know what's so funny? Let me show y'all something. This is one of theirs from like years ago. When I tell you I love this freaking edge brush from them, I love it. It's curved. I've had this for years, okay? I don't even use the brush end. I just use that. A melting band that has ear cuffs on it. When I tell you I'm prepared, I'm prepared. Tape in this spot, clear see-through drawstring, because this unit is definitely going to be a drawstring. Pull it up in the back and show the back of your nape unit. And it's clear, okay? Different shape tape as well. Some bobby pins. Listen, I love Ashimary because they make sure that you is laced. So let's see what this wig is looking like. From the color of it, it looks actually really, really pretty. I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay. Okay, so we got ourselves a cute curly unit. They also do provide tape on the edges so that way you can just put it on and go. There is also an elastic removable band inside, which is adjustable. This is a 360 unit, so that way you can wear it up in a ponytail or a bun, however you choose. Now, this unit also does come with combs. We also do see that there's a comb in the nape, and the best part, there is a drawstring, which is a silicone drawstring, which will actually help you gather your wig up in the back, so that way you don't need any type of adhesive in the nape of your neck. Color is actually really, really pretty. And I did forget to mention, these combs are removable, so there are slots right here where you can just remove them. They're all removable if you choose to. We are definitely going to get into this. So I do have my water bottle here. This does have leave-in conditioner in it, which is this right here. I'm also going to be using my Lada Body styling mousse. So let's jump into this video. I'm gonna play some music and sing along, and y'all could just read my lips, okay? this wig is definitely tea, okay? You definitely want to go and copy one from Ashimary Hair. When I tell you this was perfect when it was dry curls to damp curls to wet curls. I really didn't even want to put any water on it because I just really did like that huge full look. Like that's the look you can get once it's dry. Now it is almost dry right now because I did stop the video for a few and just let it air dry out. I'll definitely leave all of the specs in the description box below. But girl, did y'all see the back? Like you can pull it up in a bun, a ponytail, and you got those silicone strings on the side. The nape of the unit looks amazing. Okay, so you don't have to worry about no type of glue. I love the fact that the combs are removable. So if you're a person, a girly girl who does not like combs, then you can definitely remove these. And then when you want to put them back in, you can. It's a 360, so you can part her anywhere you want. Girl, this wig is bomb. The lace is definitely melting. It's lacing. It's definitely doing what it needs to do. The fact that once you finger comb it, it comes out even prettier. Who don't love that big full look? Like, girl, I'm here for it. Didn't have to do any type of customization. The lace is definitely perfect. The hairline is definitely perfect. Shimmery definitely comes through. Not only do they bless you with some great amenities, but the hair is definitely worthy. Like this is a nice wig for real, for real. Now for this go round, I only used my water with conditioner in it. Normally I'll use like Lotta Body or Nairobi foam, but I didn't even have to do that with this because these curls define themselves once you wet it. But just getting it alone, you could wear this out the door because it's pre-everything. Pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-thinned out, pre-bleached, and pre-approved. Girl, listen, I'm telling you, this is definitely a pre-approved, pre-everything wig that you want. I didn't have to cut no lace. I didn't have to really pluck anything. And this is definitely beginner friendly. So if you really don't know much about a wig, baby, you definitely want to go ahead to Shimmery Hair and get you one of these. Y'all already know what I say. I love me a good wig. Girl, who don't love a good wig? And if you don't love a good wig, baby, you in the wrong spot. Bam, look at that. Perfect all the way around. I will link everything down below for a Shimmery. Girl, yes, yes. If you stay to the end of this video, give me a blue heart in the comments below. I love y'all for rocking with me. Happy New Year 2026. It's definitely going to be our year. Stay blessed, stay diva and divolicious. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe to the video. Keep those blue hearts coming if you stay to the end. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one.